guys, I know this video is a little bit late, but that's because this past week I drove from Georgia all the way out to California, so I'm going to show you guys some footage from that trip real quick. So I customized some shoes for my friend's friend. This is my friend. We're about to meet his friend, so this is Cameron Berry. Everybody go follow him.
Camdaman3, Kamdaman3, you know.
Yeah, don't actually follow him. All right, here he is. Wait, if you had to guess, what would you guess that I did to him?
I honestly have no idea.
All right, go ahead.
No, these, oh my God, these are sick.
Finally made it to California. So yeah, that was a very long drive. It took me like 31 hours, I think. But I'm finally here, and I figured for this week's custom, I should do something California themed. So I'm going to be doing a part 2 to my California sunset custom. In last week's video, I said this. Let me know in the comments what you think I should name this custom. And if I pick your name, I will give you $1. So the top comment from last week's video was from someone named OxyClean, and they said to call them the Electric Force. So that's the name I'm going to go with. Also, in honor of me hitting 50K subscribers on YouTube, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on Instagram and Twitter. So go check those out. I'll put those right here. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Before I put any paint down on the shoe, I have to prep the leather, and to do that, I'm using some acetone and cotton balls. To go along with the California theme, I made a Hollywood stencil with my vinyl cutter, so I'm going to use some transfer paper to move the stencil onto the shoe. I didn't record it, but when you use a stencil on a shoe, it's really important to go over it with a heat gun so the paint doesn't leak. I'll be using my airbrush for a majority of this custom, so I'm going to tape off the surrounding areas to prevent any overspray. So now the shoe is taped up and ready for paint. For the sky, I'm using the colors Sunset Yellow and Lava Orange, and since I'm airbrushing, I have to mix the paint with too thin to thin out the paint. For the sunset, I'm going to create a fade from yellow to orange, so on the front of the shoe, I'm applying thin coats of the Sunset Yellow. The more coats you add, the more even the color will look, especially with a lighter color like yellow. For this, it took me about 6 coats to get a full cover. Now I'm going to take the lava orange and start at the back of the shoe and slowly fade it into the yellow. Now the sky is completely done, so I'm going to add a small mountain range over the Hollywood stencil using some black leather paint. Now I'm going to tape off the area surrounding the swoosh and paint it black.
You know what? I think we're gonna be friends.
The final steps of this custom is painting in some palm trees, and I don't have my micro detail brushes with me, so the best way I've found to do this is to use a toothpick or an X-Acto knife. Now all that's left to do is lace them up and spray them with a matte finisher. Thanks again for 50k subscribers. If you guys want to enter the giveaway I'm doing for that, make sure to check out my Instagram and Twitter. That's it for this video, so I will see you guys in the next one.